Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, my channel for today. It's Anaya and I'm going to be doing a voiceover for my mom's video. This wig is brought to you by Divaswigs. These are the things that come inside the box. You know, practical light skin wig cap and the pamphlet to tell you how to care for your hair. This is what the wig looks like straight outside the box. As you can tell when we put it against the mannequin, it actually is very thin. And it's very light, you can barely see it. This is their super fine individual Swiss lace. It comes in a medium brown. It was pre-plucked, but you know us, we probably just gonna pluck it a little bit more to our liking. And right here we're just pushing the part over a little bit more. We wanted a little deeper part, and it's better to do this wet so it actually like slicks down, stays, whatever, I don't know. And as you can see, there's not really a part here, so she's just going in plucking hairs out, trying to make the part work. You know, gotta do what you gotta do. This is how it looks, and you know we're gonna need to go in and straighten this. So this is her 2-inch flat iron. You guys know everything will always be in the description box down below. And as you see, the cut on this wig is weird. It just goes like half, I don't know. But she's just going here and trying to make it look a little bit better. And if you're not already subscribed to her channel, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? You subscribe to her channel right now. Come on, I know we can get her to 100,000 subscribers. She's almost there. Come on, faithfuls, you guys know it. Be faithful, you can do this. As you can tell that the lace is a little bit brown around the area, so she's gonna go over that with some type of color or something. But y'all about to come see me, so. Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Faithful Asian. I'm back with another hair tutorial.
Okay, this is my broke best friend. I'm going to be doing her hair today. She just took her braids out, and the girl who does her braids is not available to braid her hair. And she has a dance tomorrow, so she asked me to install a wig. I'm not really for her wearing a wig, so this is only going to be temporary. So this will be put on with Got to Be Glue spray and taken off immediately once she's able to get her hair braided. Sorry, I had to throw that disclaimer out there. Look at her face. She is not feeling that. Her hair is real puffy because, like I mentioned, she just took braids out and she's natural, so her hair is really thick underneath. So I'm gonna just try this wig on her right now just so you guys can see what the hairline looks like before I cut the lace. On this wig is really, I don't like it. I don't like it. It just goes from short to long. It's no type of gradation, nothing. Like, this is what the hairline looks like. As you guys saw, I did create a part. I'm gonna have to fill in that part with some foundation because it's showing a little light from the cap underneath.
Okay, but do y'all see this? Ooh, 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 yes, yes. Stiff where? What? Never mind, back to work. Okay, but can we admire this lace just one more time?
So I'm gonna spray it down with this Got to Be Glue hairspray. And guys, this is my first time actually installing a wig on someone. Not sure how it's going to turn out. You know, one may think, oh, you know how to do it on yourself, you should know how to do it on others, which I would have probably agreed until I had to try to apply makeup to her on Halloween, and the cat eye was a struggle, okay? And I could do a cat eye all day on myself, so sometimes it is a lot easier to do things on yourself than on others. So this elastic band just to melt this in for a little bit. I'm gonna leave this on for about 5 minutes and then I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some of my tailored crown just on the front to help this blend in. This is what the hairline looks like after it's been laid. Add some of this makeup to the parting area. As you guys can see, the cut on this wig is off. I tried to cut it on the mannequin head, but it's still off. I'm gonna go over it with my clippers. For that little bit of hair that was brown over there, I'm just gonna dip my brush in my this rinse, and I'm gonna scrape it because I don't really want to be applying product. I'm just gonna go over that. Okay, dolls, so y'all know the how you sent your child to school and how they return. This is how she returned. So I decided I'm gonna go ahead and glue in her wig using this old bold hold I have. It's Extreme Cream. I don't know if people still use this. I know a lot of people use the Active nowadays. That's a lot more popular. But in any event, let's get to it.
I did not return it home like this.
I'm gonna just go ahead and remove the wig. If you guys haven't seen my video on quick easy tips to remove your wigs, especially glue, make sure you check that out. Might save you a lot of time. I'll be sure to link that up above. But since this is got to be glue spray, all you have to do is just soak it with water and it'll come right off. You want to make sure it slides off because this can tear your hair just like glue. I'm going to go ahead and clean her scalp with some alcohol just to get some of that any remaining residue off.
So here we're just going to glue it down again. You already saw how we do the first install and every install, same thing. But always remember when applying this to spread it around, and do not dry this all the way dry. Make sure it's like half dry, half not, because I learned from that trying to apply it the next day, did not work. And this is what the unit looks like when it was finished. Do you guys like the way it looks now, or did you guys prefer the first one? Let me know in the comments down below. And you know we always have to pick a name. What are we gonna call her? I was guessing just, you know, after me, but I guess not. So comment down below what you think this unit should be called. And we did pick a name for the unit that we reviewed last week, and the name as well as the person who submitted that name will be listed across the screen. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family.
So dolls, until next time, you guys stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care now. Bye.